Hello guys, welcome to ARCs. This is a quick video of EURUSD. You're gonna break down from the monthly to the 1 hour time frame and see what's gonna happen and what you're looking for. So you're on the monthly time frame and you can see here a few things very important. So if you notice on that level here, you can see this was a break of structure, as you can confirm on the line chart as well. Okay, so you're gonna mark this as a break of structure. That was on the monthly time frame. And as you know, the market before push need to swap liquidity. That's exactly what happened here. Let's mark this out here. There we go. So on the top of this level, you can see as well the market just drop in break of structure, the same over there, just push high and drop in break of structure. So, and you have this swap of liquidity just there, and you got this break of structure just there. Perfect. So this means this level between here and here is a monthly range. Okay, so everything inside in that monthly range is internal range liquidity. So that means after the market push higher here, taps into that rejection block just there, give a nice drop that create a big break of structure for the monthly time frame. As you can see here. So at the same way the market do exactly here. So that's why the market's pushing high. So why the market just doing that? Because if you draw a trend line liquidity just there, one taps, two taps, you wait for the third tap. Also you have this order block just there on the monthly time frame. That order block was just create that move to the downside. So a lot of people are expecting the market here to start selling. And what happened? You take in consideration that as a trap. Because when the orders are, a lot of orders are above, the market always tends to swap that level. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna try to target that levels. But on the monthly time frame, the most recently break of structure, you have this one. You have this one. Then you can see the market already taps into that breaker block here. The market already tapped there and keep pushing high. So perfect. You have that levels. So you know the market are attracted to that levels here. So this is a monthly time frame. There's a lot of pips between this little gap. 300 pips. So it's a lot of space to trade. So now let's put this small, just like this. And let's go to the weekly. Let's see what happened on the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, you can see the market just taps into a K level. That's K level. And after the market taps into that K level, you can see the market give a nice move to the upside. So the market reject all that level, keep moving high. Break. So what else you can see on the weekly time frame? You can see the market just swept the previous weekly high just there. The market just swept that previous weekly high. Now looks like you want to target that one, but that one, that's the tricky one. That one is already swept that level. So I'll make this as a 1, 2, 3 formation. As you can see. So let's see what you have now on the daily time frame. If you go to the daily time frame, let's take this out to make it confuse. What you can see on the daily time frame. The daily time frame, you can see exactly the same happen, but with this one here. You have this K level already being tapped in a few times. If you go to the line chart, you can see that's exactly the K level. The K level is the candle close. Note that candle, the open price, you always have to be the candle close. All right, so the market left that liquidity above the K level, left that liquidity above that K level, swap, nice move to the upside. That's amazing trade, right? So now the market's coming back, swap that level once again, keep pushing high, fail to break that level, that's alright. So let's go to the 4 hour and let's see what happened on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, you have that K level's already been tested, perfect. You have this IPA over there that already been tested today by the news and give a nice move to the upside as well. So it was good. Nice drop today in the morning London session. Drop the market lower, quite lower, but just remember it's still bullish on the monthly time frame. So what happened just there, it was the market built trendline liquidity, left that liquidity below here, that liquidity, let's mark this up. You have that liquidity just there, perfect. Then the market swept that liquidity, taps in the 50% IPA, give a nice move to the upside. Now it's coming back, but this should be an amazing trade as well. If you trade from the 50% IPA, stop loss below the IPA, 15 pips. I don't trade like that. I like less pips. It should run 1 to 4.6. That's alright. That's a good one. That's a good one. So now what you can expect for tomorrow, and also you need to remember this week you have NFP, so the market will build liquidity to sweep. So in this level here on the 4 hour, you can see the market. Let's take this K level out. It's already been tested, so you can see the market swept that liquidity, push high. Let's mark this here, just there. It was here, but I'm gonna put here for us just to be able to see it. Let's break our start to the upside. It do exactly the same here. Swap a few liquidities. Let's put this one, the previous Asia, that Asia there. Then break structure to the downside. Let's put just here for us to be able to see. Structure been break, perfect. That one I will call external, internal range liquidity. So that liquidity, that relative equal lows here, that made the market be attracted to that level. Now we are on this level, so let's go to the 1 hour. As the market taps in that level, also in the 1 hour, you can see was also a breaker. Also was a breaker block here. As you can see, it was also a breaker and an IPA, so it was a good level. So after the market doing that, if you go to the line chart, you can see the market just break structure to the upside. Perfect. Now the market are there and just build that liquidity just there. You expect Asia build a little bit more liquidity this night before the market keep pushing high. So you expect Asia open, just play around this level. Let's see what Asia is gonna do. But what I expect for tomorrow, the market respect that level. Yeah, and probably trade here for there to take out this line. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.